Me and I'm a little sick right now, but I swear when I'm ready I will fly us out of it. If you guys haven't noticed, a bunch of my videos got deleted, and I honestly don't know how that happened. So, I don't know how my videos got deleted. I got a new phone, so I had to get signed back into my Google account. And then when I got back into it, all my videos were gone. So, we're just gonna have to restart. Oh well. Okay, so thank you if you were concerned. Thank you so much for being concerned. It's fine. But I didn't get hacked or anything. They said, like, your videos have been corrupted or something like that. Yeah, that's what it said. So, I'm really sorry. We're going to just have to do different videos to fill in the gap. And hi, JC, if you're watching this, I'm giving a big shout out to my best friend, JC. She doesn't want to be on here, but only my friend Kaylee wants to be on here, so thank you so much for concerning if you were concerned. Now let's get on to the video. Boop! Some of you might know, I am really good at drawing, in my opinion. So let's go get something. Sorry guys. Oh my god, I thought there was something behind me.
Green must be downstairs color, Emily.
Okay,
Holy crap.
anyways.
Whoa, look at this thing, Emily.
If
Nice. I think he's gonna get his phone in it.
Hold up. That's my setup. So, as y'all know, I'm really good at drawing and art. But one thing you didn't know about me, I have a slime shop. But unfortunately, only my friends can buy from me at the moment that go to my school. So unfortunately, if you're watching this and you don't know me, like, personally, you cannot buy my slime because I don't have enough money to ship. But okay, so here's one of the orders. It's in a bag because the containers that I made are drying because I had to glue them. My slime is really good. And if you're watching this and you do go to my school, my Instagram is Emma, Stile. And I'm not telling you the other part. But here's one of my favorites that I've made. So these two are not for sale. Somebody already bought these. We just have not met up yet. We're meeting up Friday. We live in like a big city, so we're like really scared because only my brother, which he's 28, and he has like a pocket knife, is coming with us since we live in a big city.
Bam! 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 Bam!
So here's my slime that I made for my customer. It's not a lot because it failed, so I had to make her a new one. A new slime, since she got a discount. She got this one free because I messed up on the first one. It's an extra small butter. So I do have a slime shop, so JC, if you're watching this, hit me up. You'll have to pay for it, though.
You say you have to, you don't have to.
You have to pay for it. I honestly don't know where this video is going. So I'll be right back, because I have to use the bathroom. I had to do something. So basically, where this video is going is nowhere. I got this new light. And I don't even have a good video. Or do I? Well, anyways, this was just an announcement video. My next video will come out in about 20 minutes after this one. Or half an hour, or a day. I don't really know. It'll be a makeup tutorial, so make sure you watch that video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're not new, like this video. And if you're also new, I am Neon Unicorn Bloom, and you guys are the Brightlings. So make sure you like this video, even if you don't like it. I like it. And no hate in the comments. Stay positive. I see any hate towards me or towards my other fans, you're getting blocked and reported and deleted. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. What? I mean, stay bright, my Brightlings. Woo!